I coded an 80% plus win rate trading strategy using ChatGPT. This easy-to-follow buy and sell indicator is great for scalping cryptocurrencies on short time frames like 1, 3, and 5 minutes. In the span of 5 days, this algorithm produced almost 40% return on the account. This equals 240% return per month. With leverage of 5 to 1, you can potentially make over 1,000% profit in just 30 days. In this step-by-step guide, I will teach you how to create this strategy, as well as how to turn it into a fully automated trading bot that will be earning you passive income daily. This tutorial will be useful for beginners and professional traders. Dear friends, if you enjoy the content we put out, please like this video and share it with your friends. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into the tutorial. So, I am currently viewing the Ethereum price chart on the 5-minute time frame. This trading setup consists of 2 TradingView indicators. However, you can always add more indicators to it to make the signals more accurate. Let's add these indicators to the chart. Open the Indicators menu and search for G-channel trend detection. The script you're looking for was published by Jagged Soft. For indicator number 2, add the exponential moving average. Modify its length to 200. The strategy's entry signals will be based on 2 simple conditions. The algorithm will execute a long trade if A. G-channel trend detection produces a buy signal. B. The closing price at the time of the signal is below the EMA. Some of you might argue about this contrarian trading approach. I partially agree. Buying below the 200 EMA is relatively risky, but the numbers speak for themselves. In short time frames like 1, 3, and 5 minutes, buying low and selling high works much better than in higher time frames like 4 hours and daily. The trend is usually stronger in higher time frames, and betting against the prevailing bias in these time frames is very risky. The rules for short trades are the opposite. First, G-channel trend detection gives a sell alert. Second, the price is closed above the EMA. A trade is closed when the indicator gives a buy signal. As I said, this is a simplified version of this strategy. You can add more advanced money management later on. Don't worry, I will show you how to do it in this video. Now that we've identified clear rules for buying and selling, it's time to code these indicators into one strategy. For that, open the G-Trends indicator source code and copy the whole script. The next step is to go to OpenAI.com. You can code this strategy with ChatGPT 4 as well as with ChatGPT 3.5. The outcome will be the same. Ask ChatGPT to code a simple trading strategy with the following indicator and EMA as a signal filter. Provide the strategy's entry rules. Paste the indicator script into your message. By the way, you don't need to provide ChatGPT with the EMA script. Only copy and paste the G-channel trend detection source code. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will code you a full trading strategy with these 2 indicators. Copy the code and go back to TradingView. Open a new strategy template, delete the default code, and paste the script given by ChatGPT. Apply the script to the chart. If you encounter any errors when applying the script, simply address them to ChatGPT and it will fix them immediately. Once you've successfully added the strategy to the chart, head over to the strategy tester. Here, you'll see the algorithm's performance, such as win rate, profit factor, maximum drawdown, etc. Open the strategy settings. Here, you can modify the G-channel and EMA lengths. For Ethereum, I prefer to set the channel length to 5 and the EMA length to 200. In the strategy properties, you can also modify initial capital and order sizes, pyramiding, etc. For example, let's set this number to 3. To make the chart neater, hide the buy and sell shapes in the Style section. Once you're finished adjusting the settings, click OK. Now you can check strategy performance on different time frames and securities. As you can see, the algorithm works great for Ethereum in short time frames. To add more advanced money management system, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to use ATR for setting stop loss and take profit. For stop loss, 2 ATR values should be used. For take profit, use 4 ATR values. Copy the modified script and install it on the chart. Now it's time to show you how to automate this trading strategy into a bot that will automatically open and close trades. The first step is to register a free Pionex account. I will leave a link to Pionex in the video description. Once you've successfully logged in, open the Futures menu at the top and click on Futures Bot. On the right-hand side, you will see 2 bot options, Futures Grid and Signal Bot. Click on Create a Signal Bot. The following step is to add a custom TradingView signal. Set the signal name and input description if needed. Let's name this bot G Channel. Now you'll need to visit TradingView to finish signal configuration first. The configuration includes setting up parameters like an initial capital size. For example, if your account size is $1,000, set the capital size to 1,000. Also, set the order size and enable pyramiding if necessary. Pyramiding in trading is a strategy that involves increasing the size of a position in a profitable trade to maximize potential gains. This technique is often used in trending markets where the price is moving favorably. The main idea behind pyramiding is to add to a winning position rather than opening a new position at a single entry point. Once you've done all the configuration, copy the webhook URL address. Go back to TradingView and open the Strategies alerts. Open notifications and enable the webhook URL. Paste the address you copied from Pionex into this line. Next, go back to Settings and delete this message. Copy the message from Pionex and paste it into this window. Click Create. Then return to Pionex and automate the signal. With Pionex, you can automate any trading strategy on TradingView. If creating your own strategy is too complex, don't worry. On Pionex, you can find dozens of free bots that generate high returns. Simply head over to the PionexGPT marketplace and choose the bot that meets your requirements. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will attach today's strategy link to the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time.